Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today we are at Mandalay Bay, back at Mandalay Bay in a SkyView Penthouse Suite. On the map just down towards the end, I don't think it's actually that room because that looks like it should be that one because we're not that small. But as you come in, you have your entrance area. Immediately round to the left is a small kitchenette. You have your wet bar, coffee machine, ice bucket, wine glasses. You've got some space underneath for some bits. You even have your own mini fridge where you can keep stuff cool, which is quite a difficult thing to get in Vegas. And then mini bar here with all of your usual bits and bobs and some additional items. Of course, anything you touch from the mini bar will be charged. Keep that in mind. So don't empty it to put your own stuff in. Make sure you use the other one. I'll put this there. Maybe you can scan it from your TV if you want to see the pricing. And next to it we have this little wardrobe area. Space you can put your jackets or whatnot by the front door. And there's also a toilet just off to the side here. And then coming back round, door here is for connecting, so that doesn't go anywhere for this room. But this is the main living area. Nice floor to ceiling windows, TV and media unit. There is another TV in the kitchen as well there, if you need to. Seating area, 2 lamps, only lamps that are in here, and that one stopped working halfway through our stay. But they've not replaced the bulb yet, so hopefully they'll do that for the next guest. So it's quite dark in here at night, but that's not really an issue. There is some lighting up there. So plenty of seating. Blinds and drapes are all done for you electronically. I need to find where it was. There it is. So you've got open, close and stop. One does the actual blackout curtain drapes and the other one just does the And then there's also an aircon unit up there which is individually controlled for this room, which works very well. And at the moment it's Jan 2022, so they do offer in-room COVID testing if you need it. It's extortionately expensive, but there it is. I'll let you read that. It says an additional $130 charge will be applied for same-day testing, which I don't understand because it's a half-an-hour turnaround anyway, so I'm assuming it might be for this one. And then we come through these nice double doors into the bedroom. It's a very comfy bed, very nice stay. A couple of units either side. And plenty of wardrobe space. You've got your safe in there as well. Not, again, the biggest, but you know, your standard hotel safe, and robe for one. So you can fight over there if there's 2 of you. Nice big comfy seating chair there. Your work desk with a lamp and another media unit with plenty of drawer space underneath. The sun is beaming in. It's early in the morning, so I'm sorry it's a bit hard to see outside, but we're 60th floor in Mandalay Bay, and we are in room 60128. So it's a nice view, but sorry, it's a bit hard to see outside with the reflection from the sun coming in. Nice floor to ceiling, or almost floor to ceiling mirror there. And then come through into the main bathroom. Dual vanity, nice big mirror, your shower and separate bathtub. And finally, another separate toilet. The usual MGM resorts toiletries, although for some reason they are not supplying shower gel. They give you shampoo, hair conditioner, and we had 1 bar of soap for the whole place, so including, if you didn't bring anything, which we didn't, because we were quite tight with packing, because we came here hand luggage only, and we said, you know, we use the hotel shower gel. We had 1 bar of soap, so for the first night we had to use that for the shower and the toilet sink. sort of carry it around with us until we could get to a shop, because the essential shop downstairs didn't have any either. But there is a daily maid service that is back, but you have to specifically request shower gels, which we did, but they still didn't give it till the very last day. So by that point, we'd gone and bought some anyway. But there we go. This is just a quick tour around of the SkyView Penthouse Suite in Mandalay Bay, and absolutely love it. Do like this hotel. Second time I've stayed here. Last time we stayed here as well. So if you check out a video we got there for a panoramic 2-bedroom king suite, that's on this channel as well. Next we are going to be moving over to MGM Grand for a couple of nights and just a standard king room. So if you want to see what that's like as well, make sure you subscribe and check that out. Until then, guys, I'll see you next time.